Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to join a Zoom call on your mobile device. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and install the Zoom app. Open the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Search for Zoom Cloud Meetings. Download and install the application. Step 2. Open the Zoom app. Once the installation is complete, locate the Zoom app on your home screen and tap to open it. Step 3. Join a meeting. On the initial screen, you will see several options. Tap on the Join a Meeting button. Step 4. Enter Meeting ID. You will be prompted to enter the meeting ID. This ID is usually provided by the host. Enter the meeting ID accurately. Step 5. Enter your name. After entering the meeting ID, you'll be asked to input your name. This name will be visible to other participants. Step 6. Adjust video and audio settings. Before joining the meeting, you can toggle your video on or off by tapping the respective icon. You may also choose whether you want to connect audio by tapping on the Call using Internet Audio option. Step 7. Join the meeting. Once you've entered all the necessary details and adjusted your settings, tap on the Join Meeting button. Step 8. Wait for host approval, if required. If the meeting host requires approval, you'll see a message indicating that you are in the waiting room. The host will admit you shortly. Step 9. Participate in the meeting. Once admitted, you can interact with others using audio, video, and chat features available during the call. Thank you for following along with us. We hope this guide helped you successfully join a Zoom call on your mobile device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content. Happy Zooming!